Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 Explorer XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Ford Safe and Smart Package, XLT Sport Appearance Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo, sync communication and entertainment system, air conditioning and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.